I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no motor in it.
Hey guys, it's Trev here at Legacy Dodge Claresholm, and I wanted to share something really special with you today. We don't always have the dollars and cents to take care of big money repairs. Like take, for example, that 5.3 liter V8 and this 2007 Chevy Avalanche. We're not always 100% ready when big money worries come our way. But what I can tell you is that the team at Legacy Dodge Claresholm can offer you a way to get that repair, accessories, maybe a lift kit, wheels and tires, whatever you're looking to get done, drive down the road and not pay any money for today. We can make that happen. Give us a call at 403-625-4555 and ask us how. Whether it's a motor job, whether it's some basic maintenance that you've been putting off, whether it's trying to get that big dollar upgrade for your truck with some new 35s, some 20-inch rubber, that 6-inch lift, whatever you want to do, ask us how we can help. 403-625-4555 and put your 5.3 in your Chevy today. Or maybe buy a Ram. Whatever you want to do.